What is going on, guys? Right here beside me, I have the street bike tire changer from Rabaconda, the sibling to the dirt bike tire changer that I've been using for years and would recommend to anyone. Now behind me, I've got my Ducati Monster, which has had these same tires on it for about 7 years, and it was time to put some fresh Shinko tires on it. That said, I've never done street bike tires aside from one time with my dad, which I'll talk about in a little bit, but I thought to myself, I could just take the wheels to a shop since I don't really have the means, or I could get this tool that I'll have for the rest of my life. So in full transparency, I did reach out to Rabaconda and they sent me this tool, but this review will be my completely honest and open opinion on the tool. Now, when I got the Rabaconda dirt bike tire changer, I expected there to be a bit of a learning curve. It's a tool, but you have to learn how to use it. I struggled with this for the first few tire changes. Now I'm very efficient. I figured it would be the same with the street bike tire changer, but that wasn't really the case. The street bike tire changer, while following along with Rabaconda's step-by-step video, was actually very easy to use and I had very minimal struggles. There were a couple things I did wrong that led me to unfairly critiquing the tool in the moment, such as leaving the rear sprocket on the rear wheel. I didn't realize that street bike tire rear sprockets just pull out because I don't work on street bikes very often. So once I figured out all of the little nuances, this thing is really easy to use and really well made. I certainly expected this to be a super high quality product based on my experience with the dirt bike tire changer, and the street bike tire changer is no different. This thing is expensive for a reason. It's built to last and it's a tool that you'll have for the rest of your life. It's a buy once, cry once type of thing. Now I say I've tried changing street bike tires one other time. Last Christmas, I was down in Arizona with my family and I had this tire changer with me, and my dad actually wanted to change some tires on his Ducati. We did manage to get the front tire done using the dirt bike tire changer, but it wasn't pretty. It was a big struggle trying to use irons, and we did put a couple scratches on the rim despite our best efforts not to. As for the rear, we tried, but we could not get it done. You simply cannot get a normal tire iron over a rim that wide. So while there are certainly ways to manhandle a tire onto a rim on your own without this tool, this will make your life easier. Again, I'm changing dirt bike tires all the time. This may have been the first time that I've had to change the tires on my Ducati, but over the course of my lifetime, how many street bike tires am I going to change? So this thing is super robust and has a really genius design. The duck head here slides around the rim and pushes that bead of the tire inside the rim without scratching it. So this will work on normal street bike rims as well as spoked adventure wheels. So I would actually say this street bike tire changer has exceeded any expectations I had, because I expected it to be good, but I also expected to struggle with my first couple tires, and I really didn't. The whole process was pretty straightforward, and the fact that Rabaconda provides super high quality detailed tutorials on how to use their tire changers is also super valuable. These are both super high quality tools that should last forever, but Rabaconda also stands by their products. If anything goes wrong with this thing, I can get replacement parts and get in touch with them. And while this thing is likely to mostly be used in my garage, just like the dirt tire changer, I can disassemble this, pack it into that nice carrying case that is supplied with the tire changer in a matter of minutes, and reassemble in a matter of minutes as well. Rabaconda really does put a lot of time and thought into their products. They are super high quality, and this street bike tire changer gets a big thumbs up from me. Now this tire changer and the new tires on the Ducati are actually featured in an upcoming Ducati Monster video I've been working on that I am thrilled to share with you all. So that video will be linked in the description and at the end as soon as it is posted. So if you're interested in picking up one of these bad boys, I will link it on the Rabaconda website down below in the description. And the dirt bike tire changer is actually available on Rocky Mountain, where I earn a commission on your purchases. So that is a great way to help out the channel if you're enjoying these videos. I need to give one enormous thank you to Rabaconda. They have been an absolute pleasure to work with, and I am consistently impressed with their products. If you have any questions about this tire changer that I did not answer in this video, feel free to leave me a comment. I will do my best to get back to you. Again, I've only done a front and a rear on this Ducati with it so far, but thoroughly impressed and looking forward to the next time I have the opportunity to use it. And I think that about sums it up. Thanks for watching.